Yes, Marcus Bodycoding Lab. Are you excited? No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see today twist number 6? Sorry, twist 5. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's the move. Remember, no excuses. Yeah, let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We are twisting on the right feet, on the balls of the right feet. And we touch with the left. We twist. Yeah. And then we twist to the other side. Yeah. And then we cross. Now the same with the right. We will tap with the right and twist on the left. Tap, tap, step. Now with the left, twisting on the right. Twist, twist, step, twist, twist, step. Again, twist, twist, step, twist, twist, step. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. Twist. 5. Yeah, that's the move. And wait, I see that you're still here. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Yes, face to face. Imagine yourself facing a mirror with kids and without the kids. Now, let's do it face to face. Are you ready? Let's go. We'll start with the left. Let's go. We twist. Yeah. We twist and we cross. Again, now twisting. Twist. Twist. And we cross. Again, we're twisting on the right, tapping with the left. Twist, twist, cross, twist, twist, cross. Again, let's go. Twist, twist, cross, twist, twist, cross. You can get some help with the hands. Yeah, twisting the body and also twisting the hips. Yeah, this is a twist. Let's try it together. Slow. Let's go. Twist with the hips, yeah. Twist with the hips. And cross, twist, twist, cross. With the count. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. It can be also 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's the move. That's the groove. Yeah. And if you're the serious students, wherever you're from, even from Mexico or Mexico, go to the full tutorial, of course. If you have no excuses for yourself and you want to master that move, go to the full tutorial. How can you do that? Check the link above to the sites below. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for the full tutorial. Twist number 5. That's the move. Twist number 5. Yeah. And meet me in the studio for free anytime you want. But what do you care? You can use that move right now with this video. Hit the replay button and practice. And then practice again and then practice again. Why? Because practice makes progress. And also, so you can use it in today's party. Why today? First of all, it's any party that you want. These are universal moves. Whether it's a salsa party, bachata party, Kizomba party, any party that you want, do that move today. Why today? Because tomorrow, there's no footwork, no universal footwork. Every day, of course. Also tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow with a new footwork.